Hello, let me show you how we can fix some camera settings not being available on Samsung Galaxy S25. So for example, if you go to the camera settings, you might notice that some options are not available. You cannot enable or disable those options. And the fix for this is actually quite simple. In most cases, we need to simply switch to a different video mode. Most settings are available in the photo mode. So if you, for example, switch to video, then if you go to settings, you will see that those intelligent features are not available. We cannot do anything with them. But if I switch back to the photo mode and if I open camera settings, now they are available again. In some cases, the advanced video options are not available, which I assume could be due to the resolution being selected. So for example, if we go over here, yeah, so now if I have 8K resolution enabled, and if I go to camera settings, the tracking autofocus is disabled. And if I go to advanced video options, these options are also disabled. So what you essentially need to do is to make sure that some settings are disabled. Now this is of course always hard to tell which settings are enabled that can cause those issues. But essentially those things like super steady for video mode, or maybe some aspect ratio options, or the auto framing option, you know, a bunch of different things that can be enabled, and if they are enabled, then they can interfere with the camera settings and they can make them unavailable until they are off. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!